Water and Sewerage Corporation. The mandate is very clear: to provide access to safely managed water to citizens of Imo State, provide sanitation and hygiene services to citizens of Imo State. Our mandate is now limited to urban centers of the state. And what we offer the state that is different from what they're used to is that we offer them safely managed water. What is prevalent in this state since the collapse of the water sector is boreholes all over the place. And since January this year, we've been trying to carry out tests of the quality of water from this borehole. And I want to tell you that not even one has passed the test, has made the Nigerian standard quality for drinking water. So the Imo State Water Corporation offers safely managed water, water that goes through the gamut of processes before they are delivered to our people. And we're treated, all the unwanted chemicals and deposits and then in the water are all removed during the process of treatment to get safely managed water. So our services are different from what our people are using, and that is why many people are referring to Imo State Water Corporation for their safely managed water services. Now we've also gone into sanitation services, sewerage management, because the condition of our fecal sludge management in the state is very, very appalling, and we have plans of setting up a fecal sludge treatment plant very soon to begin to take care of fecal sludge management in the state effectively and efficiently. The services we offer: one, we offer geophysical services, geotechnical services to the citizens of Imo State. We offer network mapping and network services, pipe laying. We offer water, safely managed water, sanitation services, and hygiene services. We also offer advisory roles to our customers who are not within our network. We also help them to access water in a safe way. So these are our services: water supply, sanitation, hygiene, geotechnical and geophysical services, and then water sample analysis, water treatment. Our services are in two fronts. One, we make use of surface water, that is rivers, where we build our dams, and then underground water resources. But the difference with our function is that we go through a process of treatment. Like we have our surface water dams, our surface water projects in Owerri, in Okigwe, and in smaller ones in 2 or 3 other towns. So when we abstract raw water from the river, from the raw water tank, it goes through the treatment plants, goes through the flocculation, the aeration chamber, to sedimentation, that is the clarifier, and goes through the filter beds. These are the processes of treatment because it gets into our clear water tank, from where it is now lifted and distributed to the city. So our function follows the international best practices of water production. And then our customers too, we have a process, we have a law, we have customer service charter, we have our new water connection. If somebody is developing a new property, you come to the corporation, we have our customers care center that you go to. They will direct the person on how to make the necessary applications. Our technicians and engineers will go and check the property and know how and how much it will cost the person to carry out the connection. And once it's paid, the person is connected to our network, and then the payment of water bills begins. So the process is made simple now because we are going digital, that people can even contact us online, and our workers will immediately get to work and serve them. It is always easier to destroy than to build. Because the water sector in the state was abandoned for more than 8 years, we are rebuilding, and people are already seeing it. With the new innovations that are coming in through the support of USAID funded e-wash program, we are going to make it easier, and we're going to make water available to our people 24/7. So our people should expect safely managed water in larger quantity very soon. It's a gradual process. Now, the process of water production is almost being taken care of, also by support of USAID funded e-wash program. Once we finish with water production, if we get to our water works, you will see our laboratory. Our laboratory is now becoming an international standard laboratory that can test all the necessary qualities as demanded by the Nigerian standard for drinking water quality. You see our laboratory. Now we're finishing the problem of water production, water treatment. We're moving into water distribution because the pipe network, the integrity of the pipe network are really not very good. So we started the process of replacing our pipe networks. Few areas that we've carried out some work, they have seen the difference. So citizens and residents of Imo State should expect a professionally managed Imo State Water Corporation with commercial orientation and with efficient service delivery. Not only in water, in sanitation, that is sewerage management, we're also doing our best to make sure that a sewage treatment plant is constructed in the state in the very near future so that fecal sludge could be well managed. You know, fecal sludge problem in Nigeria is a public health hazard that is about to explode if we don't do anything, because over the years, there's even no city in Nigeria that is managing fecal sludge in an efficient and effective manner. So now that the federal government and state government have started giving attention to sanitation, we are also keying into that, and very soon we'll have the first fecal sludge treatment plant in Imo State so that we can begin to manage our fecal sludge properly. You know, so the whole thing, it is something our people are desirous, and we are determined to provide these services because we cannot continue to rely on perilous borehole drilling all over the place. Environmentally, it's not good. Health-wise, it's very dangerous, and it also demeans the process of human dignity because the health cost to our people is enormous. You go to our hospitals on a daily basis, people are spending their meager resources on primary health issues, and this primary health problem can easily be traced to poor water, sanitation, and hygiene services in the state. So as soon as we get our acts together and begin to deliver safely managed water in an efficient manner, I believe the health costs on the citizens will also reduce, and they can use that money to do some other productive things.